Hi guys, so here we are today at Shoes of Hollywood, and we're going to be unboxing and having a close-up look at the Bejeweled 708. So they come in the usual red pleaser box with the little butterflies on. Now the first thing you see when you open the box is the little pleaser bag, and this is a drawstring bag. So it comes quite handy for if you're traveling or anything and you want to take the shoes and not the box. So you can just pack them in your little drawstring bag. Now the shoes come in their own little black dust bags. So we'll just pop one out and have a look at it. They come very well wrapped, these. Lots of protection padding on the stones. They just sparkle so much, they're so pretty. I hope the video is picking up how much they sparkle. Okay, so the Bejeweled are a 7-inch heel with a 2 3/4 inch front platform. The inside of the shoe is a white suede material, which is lovely and soft for your foot to go on. The upper part of the shoe is a clear plastic with also a clear plastic ankle strap. The ankle strap, as you can see, is got double thickness where the holes go and extra stitching, so that way they won't rip easily. The rhinestones on the shoes are all different sizes, which adds to the sparkle. And they're iridescent rhinestones, which means they shine and sparkle different colours, and they also pick up whatever colour you're wearing as well. On the base of the shoe is the black grip, and it's got really good tread on it, so you won't be slipping over in them. These shoes really are gorgeous, and they just look like they're covered in diamonds. At the end of this video we'll put a link, and you can click on that and see Taylor's review on them, and she's going to be putting the shoes on and walking up and down in them, so you can see what they look like on someone's feet. So there you have it guys, that's the Bejeweled 708. Thanks for watching.